Let's tell a famous military story in England history, the advent of firearms. Around 1400, the England army used firearms on the battlefield for the first time. At that time, the England soldiers used a bow called Longbow, which was very powerful and fast. However, around 1449, handguns and cannons were introduced to the England army. This use of firearms brought many victories to the England, such as in the Hundred Years' War against France. Gradually, this change led to major changes in military tactics and changed the nature of medieval warfare forever.